Alright, what we're doing here is we're replacing some beans that the cold fucked up. So, my apples and banana with the shit. So, we're gonna replace it with another apples and banana. We'll do that. Grab the high quality H2O. Give it a spritz. Make sure the cup's nice and Lead over such for humidity dome. Put apples and bananas on the edge right here. Had a blueberry muffin that didn't make it. Or not a blueberry muffin, blueberry cheesecake. So we're gonna bust one of them too. Matter of fact, I had the cup over here, so let's see if we can find that. Oh, right here, blueberry cheesecake. So grab that lid. Fill her on up with dirt. Create a nice little spot for it. Blueberry cheesecake going in, y'all. Oh, see, bean. Hole in the center. I don't know if you guys can see that on there, but right in the hole. Lightly so, cover her up. Means I gotta get some more blueberry cheesecake beans this year. Flash her a little bit with some light, put some silver nitrate on in the water, mist her, we'll get her to feed out. Yeah.